Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can pin an element to your screen on Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're going to find the option to create a new site. In the center of your screen, you're going to find all of the sites that you have on Wix. So right now, go to the site you want to edit, have your mouse over it and click on select and edit site. Once you do that, you're going to be taken to your dashboard. So once here in the dashboard, just go to the left side of your screen, and then you're going to find all of these sections. So right now, go all the way down and then click on edit site. Once you click on edit site, you're going to be redirected to this tab right here. So just wait for it to load. This is basically going to be the Wix website editor. So once loaded, this is how it will look like. If you go here to the left, you're going to find all of these tools that will help you to customize and design your site. Here you're going to find add element, add section, pages and menus, site design, and so on. So if you want to add the element you want to pin, just click on add element and select which element you want. You can add a text, image, button, strip, and so on. So right now I'm going to go back right here. And then, for example, in order to pin the element, first of all, give it a click. Go to the element you want to pin and then give it a click. You're going to find all of the settings. And then if you want to pin it, just right click on it. And then here you're going to find the settings, design, layout, animations, and so on. Go here, down, and then you're going to find pin to screen. If you want to pin it, just click on pin to screen. Then you're going to be right here. So you need to set the position where you want to pin it. And then once you set the position, just go back. And then as you can see, guys, right now it's pinned to the screen. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.